In this video, I'm going to show you how to split screen on Windows 11. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, as you can see, this is the on-screen keyboard. I'm going to use it to illustrate what you are going to do. So I want to split screen for Word. I want to use Word. As you can see, this is Word. I want it to be on the left. Then I want Chrome. I want to type something from Chrome, and I want this Chrome to be on the right. So in order to split screen of these two, you are going to, the one that you want to be on the left, you are going to press on your keyboard, on your physical keyboard, you are going to press on Windows icon and left side key. That is, if you want your word to be on the left, you are going to press on your physical keyboard the Windows key and the left key. So let me do it right now. I'm going to press on Windows and left key. Then you will see that the word will be on the left, and then you can now choose the one which you want to be on the right. Let's say this one for Chrome. I'm going to choose it. So once you've done that, you can now type, you can now copy whatsoever is on the Google Chrome in order to avoid inconvenience. So that's how you can easily split screen on Windows 11. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.